Hello, everybody. My name's Bill, and I know stuff. And what I know today is how to take your full-sized video and turn it into a YouTube short, formatted to fit your smartphone. It's easy to set up in Shotcut, and I can show you how in no time at all. So let's jump in and get this done. Let's go ahead and open up Shotcut. And I'm going to open up a file, and it's any file you want, but this is one I kind of prepared. It's actually a hike we did at the Maryland Mountain Trailhead. It's my GoPro footage. I had it recording every few seconds. It's in 1920 by 1080. Go ahead and go to video mode, and you won't have one setting that you need, but scroll down to custom and then add. Let's go ahead and call this YouTube Shorts. And then we're going to change the resolution. We're actually going to flip it. So it'll be 1080 by 1920. And then make sure you change the aspect ratio. It needs to be 9 by 16. Go ahead and click OK. And it will apply that video mode. And you see, that's what a full-size clip would look like in a YouTube short if you just put it in there right like that. So there's a lot of empty space, but we can fix that. So go ahead and select your clip, go to filters, hit that little plus button, go to video, and we're looking for crop and source. Go ahead and select it. Now mine, can't see it right now because of the screen center, but that actually says center, and all you want to do is click that and it will center up the whole video and fill the screen with it. And it looks pretty good generally. You may find out that you need to do some adjusting on the center, something like that, but this came out quite good. Now I'm going to add another video track so that I can add a title. You want to open other text, select that, drag it down onto the clip, and this is where you're going to set it up for you. I'm just going to do 5 seconds or so. And everybody knows I don't like simple text, so I'm going to delete that. Go ahead and add the text rich. I'll put that in there and format that real quick. I'm going to speed this up because you don't need to watch me slowly type all of this. Got it formatted, changed the font to something a little bit different. And now it's ready to export. I'll speed this up so we don't have to sit there and wait for it. And that's done. So your clip is ready to go. And that's what it looks like. The speed is all mine, but that's what it would look like on a phone, and it looks very good as a short on YouTube because it fills up the whole screen and looks quite nice. Now you might find out that you're taking a little too much off each side. You can't see everything that you want to see. There's also another option, and you can change your formatting to video mode a little bit. You'll have to add this one as well. And this is basically a square. Change that resolution to 1080 by 1080. And then aspect ratio is 1:1. Go ahead and click OK. And you see it's gotten a little bit bigger. And when you look at it on the phone, you'll still have some black area at the top and the bottom, but it's wider, so you can see a little bit more of it. That also looks quite good on YouTube. I hope that's helpful. Y'all be good. Take care.